Hello students, how are you all? Today we are going to learn about factors. First, let us understand what do we mean by factors of a number. Let us take the number 12. To begin with, we have to find out the pairs of numbers that give 12 as their product. So here 1 multiplied by 12 is equals to 12. 2 multiplied by 6 is equals to 12. 3 multiplied by 4 is equals to 12. So here we got 3 pairs of numbers that gives 12 as their product. No other pairs of numbers are there that give 12 as their product. Now let us again understand this by taking the pairs separately. So see here, I have taken the first pair, that is 1 and 12. So here it gives the product 12. This we have seen. Now when we will divide 12 by 1 and 12 by 12, we will get the remainder 0. Okay. So thus this means 12 is divisible by 1 and 12. Or we can say that 1 and 12 are the factors of 12. Now let us see the another pair which we have taken. So here 2 and 6 are the pair of numbers. So again we will divide 12 by 6 and 12 by 2. So again we have got the remainder 0. Okay. So thus this means 12 is divisible by 2 and 6. Similarly, we can say that 12 is divisible by 3 and 4 also. Thus, here 12 is divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Or we can say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 are the factors of 12. Okay. Here we can say that factor is a number which exactly divides the given number, or factor are numbers you can multiply to get the given number. Now let us see some points to remember of factors. So the first one is 1 is a factor of every number. Let us see with an example. When you will multiply 1 by 6, you will get the number itself. So here we can say that 1 is a factor of every number. Then every number is a factor of itself. So here let us take an example. If you will multiply 1 with any number, you will get the answer as number itself. For example, 1 multiplied by 6 will give the answer as 6. Any number, when you will divide by 1, you will get the quotient, the number itself. Let us see with an example. 8 divided by 1, the answer will be 8. That is the number itself. So that is why we can say every number is a factor of itself. Next, the factor of a number is always less than or equal to the number. So let us see with an example. We have just find out the factors of 12. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So here you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 all these numbers are less than 12 and 12 is equal to 12. So we can say that the factor of a number is always less than or equal to the number. Next, every number except 1 has at least 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Let us see with an example the factor of 7. So here we have to find out the pair of numbers which can give the product as 7. So we can only find one pair of number, that is 1 and 7. So when we will multiply 1 by 7, we will get the number 7. So here we can say that the every number except 1 has at least 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself. No other pair of numbers when multiplied will give 7. That is, the number 7 has at least 2 factors, 1 and 7. Now we will see how to find common factors. Let us see how to find the common factor, students. So find the common factor of 12 and 24. So here we will see first how to find the factor. Just now we have seen, first we will find the pair of numbers which can give the product as 12. So here 1 and 12 are the pair of numbers which can give the product as 12, 2 and 6 and 3 and 4. These are the 3 pair of numbers which you will multiply to get the product as 12. Okay. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now we have to find out the factor of 24. So let us see how to find out the factor of 24, students. So multiply 1 by 24, you will get the answer as 24. Then when you will multiply 2 by 12, you will get the answer again as 24. So 2 and 12 are the pair of numbers which will give the product as 24. The next pair of numbers are 3 and 8. When you will multiply 3 and 8, you will again get the number 24. The next number is 6 and 4. So when you will multiply 6 and 4, again you will get the answer 24. So the factors of 24 are here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now we have to find out the common factors of 12 and 24. So let us just find out the common factors, students. So see here, 1 is common in both the numbers. Then 2. Then 3. Then 4. Then 6. Then 12. So we can write common factors of 12 and 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Like this, you can also find the common factors of any number. Okay?